I think what I like most about our batch coders from SNEED Coding is the consistent, reliable results. Scaled manufacturing requires hundreds of thousands of identical print jobs with very little oversight. And nobody does it better than this. We've also yet to reach the device's upper speed limit, finding that as quickly as we can stably convey any given product, the printer will keep pace. It's as fast as you need it to be. Another fantastic feature is the option to store a plethora of preset printing messages and the ability to switch between them in seconds. We're no longer wasting time resetting or downloading batch files when changing between products, just producing all day. Yet another benefit to this setup is that each print cartridge, seen here, effectively contains a replacement printhead. There is no integrated printhead on this printing machine. What that means is no printhead cleaning, no maintenance, and no printhead wear and tear to worry about compared to standard batch printers. We also love that the device so effectively prints to a variety of surfaces, from glass, metal, and paper to a variety of plastics, including low-density polyethylene and PET, all the way up to HDPE and metal. At this point, we're no longer considering any other batch coding solutions. We love SNEED coding.